always with something else. Rob has complete control.
Hello, little guys.
It's not even a tribe, it's a cult.
David, at this point, everybody on Zapatera's got to be thinking...
Tick-tack, tick-tock.
...tonight, correct?
Come on.
Definitely, but at the same time,
Come on.
with the numbers the way they are here,
Come on.
it's virtually insurmountable. So the other phase of the game, Redemption Island, maybe...
He's going back to the top. They're both going back to the top.
Come on.
Climbing the Empire State Building.
Since you cannot vote for Andrea, everybody else is fair. It is time to vote. Andrea, you're up.
Come on. Come on.
Okay, what are they? The Sunny Conure? Sun Conure?
Conure.
And their names are Tic-Tac and Tick-Tock.
Yep. Now he's trying to figure out how to get in there.
Huh?
Come on.
Hopefully this works.
Come on.
Down with the votes.
Has to be a few minutes. Come on. Come on.
If anybody has a hidden immunity idol and want to play it, now would be the time to do so.
What are you doing down there? Bert.
Okay, once the votes are read, the decision is final. The person voted out will be asked to leave the top council area meeting. Votes. First vote. Rob. Rob.
Oh.
Please count this as 4 Robs.
Oh, no way.
Count as 1.
Come on.
Try. That's 4 votes, Rob.
No way.
Okay, that's the birdies.